Alright, so I got this old air compressor and I took the motor off of it because you plug it in and it just smokes like crazy. I tried getting it to free up. Put some WD-40 in the piston there, but it's junk. So I'm gonna make a wood burner out of it for my garage. Here we go. The old legs cut off of that thing. And I didn't show you guys this, but I got these big, you can see where I welded it on a few times, trying to line them up, but I got these big chain links my buddy gave me, and just cut it in half and use them for hinges, which it works pretty good. I need to get a handle on here though now. Kind of a tight fit, but it'll loosen up. I'll grind on the end of it. There we go. And then I got the legs off the wheels and stuff. It was all plastic and rubber, so they wouldn't last long. But I got this ring at the bottom here, and it's from like a water meter pit that the lid like goes on. This is usually like under the ground, and got it out of a scrap pile, and I only use it for the. I'll center it up and get it straight as I can, but that's what it'll set on that for balance. So there's a couple little feet things on the bottom of this I need to cut off, and before I weld it.